Hello guys, this is Wonderby Trading, and we're carrying on with our free trading view strategies that we provide to you each week, and you can easily apply it to any security and then automate it on Wonderby Trading platform. So today we're going to talk about the moving average convergent divergence indicator, which is a trend following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages of a security's price. In our case, we're going to use Bitcoin Perpetual futures on a 30-minute time frame from FTX exchange. The main idea of this particular indicator is to go long whenever the fast-moving average is crossing over the slow-moving average. The traditional indicator is using the 26-period exponential moving average and the 12-period EMA to calculate the MACD. However, you can easily change it in the way you want. At the same time, we also added the money flow index, which is also a technical indicator that generates overbought and oversold signals using both prices and volume data. And we think that this one is quite important for finding the oversold regions. We highlighted them in green color, and then if all the conditions are met, then the bot will enter the long position. At the same time, we added the trailing stop. You can see how it performs over here. You can set the trailing stop on Wonderby Trading bot in particular, and this will be quite important because the trailing stop option is available for FTX exchange only. At the same time, the first take profit target is just 1%, and you will sell 20% of your portfolio back. The trailing stop is 1.3%. However, we also added the stop loss, which is going to be calculated based on the ATR, so it's going to be a trailing stop loss as well. Let's look at the stats of this particular bot. The overall performance on Bitcoin Perpetual futures 30-minute time frame is quite sustainable. We can see that the total number of closed trades is above 500, which is quite good, and the percentage profitable is over 70% as well. The max drawdown is 9.93%. which is not that bad. However, if you increase the ATR stop loss, you can get the higher percentage profitable because you're going to be sitting in the positions for a longer time. Another thing that I wanted to mention, that this particular strategy is long only. To create the bot, you will definitely have to insert the enter long comment and the exit long comment. The take profit targets will be set in the bot on Wonderby Trading itself, together with the trailing stop. As usual, we will provide the code in the description for this video. You can find this in our tutorials as well, so just copy the code, place it in the Pine editor, add it to the chart, and you can easily start running the automated bot on Wonderby Trading. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned with our free trading news strategies, which we're presenting for you every week. Best of luck with your trading.